administration, and we hope that it will be a good institutional memory to support the incoming teacher because he's still in that stage. So I call upon all the deputies to support the incoming teacher, the prefectorial body to support administration, and also all of us as members of board of governors to support the incoming teacher for the good of the school.
Thank you very much. So I have the instruments of power. The first one I'm giving to you are the stamps.
Excuse me. Yeah, chairperson, the answer.
Stamps, yes.
The stamps, the pieces of this, all the copies are there, the file. I have the approval budget, the 2025, the land titles, then this file, all other files are also all the land issues about Laka land on this file.
Big hand clap for Joseph. That he did the best he could in the shortest possible time. And we are grateful. So, Levi, on behalf of the Board of Governors Lira Town College, on behalf of the teaching fraternity and the prefectorial body, we welcome you to the Lira Town College. And we are now transferring these instruments of power to you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.
You take over office as the substantively posted teacher to Lira Town.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.